Hey, what's up troops? This is the mytag washing machine. How to use this one? Okay, first here the water level. You put small, medium, large, super, plus. If you have too much clothes, you can put super plush. Okay, and then the temperature of cold rinse. You need the cold or warm or hot. And then how to use this one, the selector. Okay, you push, you rounding this one. Okay, you can set this 18, this super wash 18. Then you put this one, this is the pointer, you put this one and then pull, then start the water. You can see that the water, now start the water. Okay, and then the water, it's sample, you put the medium and then he raise the medium level the water and then we'll start. Okay, don't like this, don't rounding, this is the automatic. Okay, if this pointer coming here, then finish, it's totally off. All moya, all water going down, same like a dryer. Okay guys, you need to turn up. Let's push. There have a manual here. Pull to start, push to stop. Okay, then I will pull to start. Okay, the water is coming again. Okay guys, thank you. Okay, and again, this is the heater. Very simple also, same, not same, this one, the mytag washing machine. This is the heater dryer machine. Okay, we start me up. Okay, this is the wing prevent. You need to open, it's up to you. Okay, this is the temperature fabric. You need only air, no heat, only air. Simpson dryer, you know, you like a low, medium, high. Okay, I put here only low, medium. Then you use round this one. Okay, you put here. Now this is the pointer, same, this is the mytag washing machine. This is the pointer. After this pointer coming here, then after coming this one heat, then coming here cool down, and then okay, and how to start this one? You start this one. Now you can select this one 70. Okay, then only push this one. This is the push to start. Push, then start. Okay, you see my clothes inside. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Salute.